ka sa pinaypay.
Oh, we can do that.
Naka-flex ang pinaypay.
Sure, we can do that.
Tapi na lang ako kasi
Alright, so this is 2nd Avenue west of Williston. So the road condition is slicky. There's a lot of ice, and it's a mix of ice and water actually. So that's the 1st Avenue west. That is the main street. That side is the 1st Avenue East. That one will be the 2nd Avenue East. That one is Rose Lane. And this is 4th Avenue East. So we're now in the stop sign, corner University Avenue and Eaton Street East. So we're gonna do a left turn. So as you can see, guys, the road is pretty good actually, because the city of Williston trying to clean this one. So kudos to Williston Department. Now after the storm, we'll be expecting like 10 to 12 inches of snow. That will be their prediction, but who knows? Maybe less than that or more than that. Well, this storm is actually a mix of rain and snow, so this is really bad if your tire is not really good for this kind of weather. So make sure that your truck or car is well maintained before you can travel, and always bring your shovel and every first kit. We're gonna do a left turn all the way to Albertson. And I don't know if they're open. Okay. Are they open? Okay. So let's try to go in, because my wife wanted to buy something for our panghimagas today. Okay.